Ever wondered why your cough lingers even after your cold is gone? Well, you're not alone in this. It's a common occurrence known as a post-infectious cough, affecting anywhere from 11 to 25% of adults following a respiratory infection. It's characterized by inflammation and a surge in mucus production within the respiratory system. This isn't just a typical cough that clears up in a week or two. No, this is the guest that overstays its welcome, hanging around for anywhere from 3 to 8 weeks. Stick around to find out what causes this lingering cough and how you can manage it. So what causes this persistent cough anyway? Well, the answer lies in how our bodies react to respiratory infections. A lingering cough, also known as a post-infectious cough, is a common aftermath of such infections, affecting around 11 to 25% of adults. After an infection, inflammation and increased mucus production occur in our respiratory system. This is our body's natural response, a defensive mechanism, if you will, to clear the airways and protect the lungs. The lingering cough is essentially a side effect of this cleaning process. You can think of it as your body's way of saying, "Hey, I'm still working on getting all this gunk out of here." Interestingly, this cough can stick around for anywhere between 3 to 8 weeks. Now that's a long time to be coughing, isn't it? But it's important to remember that this is a normal part of recovery from a respiratory infection. Now that we know the causes, let's move on to how you can manage this condition. Coughing for weeks on end can be bothersome, so how can you manage it? Well, there are a few conservative treatments that can help ease the symptoms. Over-the-counter cough suppressants can offer some relief, while intranasal steroids can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory system. Humidifiers can also be useful, as they add moisture to the air and can help soothe a dry, irritated throat. And don't forget about lozenges. They can help keep your throat moist and alleviate that annoying cough. Now you might be wondering about antibiotics and steroids. While they're often the go-to for many illnesses, they've shown no evidence of effectiveness for a post-viral cough. So it's best to stick to the treatments we've discussed. But here's the crucial part. If your cough persists beyond 8 weeks, or if you start experiencing red flag symptoms, it's time to seek medical evaluation. These symptoms might include a wet cough, bloody mucus, shortness of breath, chest pain, fever, or difficulty swallowing. Remember, if symptoms persist beyond 8 weeks, or if red flag symptoms occur, seek medical evaluation. So, when should you be concerned about your lingering cough? Well, it's crucial to keep a keen eye on symptoms that persist beyond 8 weeks. Take note of red flag symptoms such as a wet cough, bloody mucus, shortness of breath, chest pain, fever, or difficulty swallowing. These are not to be ignored. Remember, it's not just about enduring a discomforting cough. It's about recognizing potential health risks that could be lurking behind persistent symptoms. A chronic cough could be a sign of something more serious like asthma or COPD. Don't ignore the signs, stay healthy and stay informed.